Selamat datang kembali. Semoga kalian dalam keadaan sehat ya. Dengar dan ulangi setelahku. Dan jangan lupa untuk like, share, dan subscribe supaya channel ini bisa berkembang. Mari kita mulai. Santai saja.
Take your time. Take your time. Take your time.
Tetap lembut hari ini.
Stay gentle today. Stay gentle today. Stay gentle today.
Tetap sederhana.
Keep it simple. Keep it simple. Keep it simple.
Tarik nafas pelan-pelan.
Breathe slowly. Breathe slowly. Breathe slowly.
Percaya pada prosesnya.
Trust the process. Trust the process. Trust the process.
Bergerak dengan tenang.
Move with calm. Move with calm. Move with calm.
Pikirkan dengan lembut.
Think softly. Think softly. Think softly.
Jaga ketenanganmu.
Hold your peace. Hold your peace. Hold your peace.
Jaga ritmemu.
Keep your pace. Keep your pace. Keep your pace.
Tetap hadir di momen ini.
Stay present. Stay present. Stay present.
Santai sedikit.
Relax a little. Relax a little. Relax a little.
Bersikap baik dalam dirimu.
Be kind inside. Be kind inside. Be kind inside.
Biarkan dirimu beristirahat.
Let yourself rest. Let yourself rest. Let yourself rest.
Jaga fokusmu tetap ringan.
Keep your focus light. Keep your focus light. Keep your focus light.
Pelankan secara lembut.
Slow down gently. Slow down gently. Slow down gently.
Pilih ketenangan.
Choose calmness. Choose calmness. Choose calmness.
Percaya pada waktumu.
Trust your timing. Trust your timing. Trust your timing.
Terus berjalan dengan lembut.
Keep going softly. Keep going softly. Keep going softly.
Pegang momen ini.
Hold the moment. Hold the moment. Hold the moment.
Tetap stabil.
Stay steady. Stay steady. Stay steady.
Bersihkan pikiranmu.
Clear your mind. Clear your mind. Clear your mind.
Tarik napas lembut.
Take a soft breath. Take a soft breath. Take a soft breath.
Tetap terkendali.
Stay in control. Stay in control. Stay in control.
Biarkan semuanya mengalir.
Let things flow. Let things flow. Let things flow.
Jaga hatimu tetap tenang.
Keep your heart calm. Keep your heart calm. Keep your heart calm.
Jalan sesuai kecepatanmu.
Go at your speed. Go at your speed. Go at your speed.
Tetap seimbang.
Stay in balance. Stay in balance. Stay in balance.
Pikir dengan jelas.
Think clearly. Think clearly. Think clearly.
Berjalan perlahan.
Walk slowly. Walk slowly. Walk slowly.
Bersikap lembut pada dirimu.
Be gentle with yourself. Be gentle with yourself. Be gentle with yourself.
Jaga ritmemu.
Keep your rhythm. Keep your rhythm. Keep your rhythm.
Biarkan kedamaian masuk.
Let peace come in. Let peace come in. Let peace come in.
Dengarkan napasmu.
Listen to your breath. Listen to your breath. Listen to your breath.
Ambil jeda yang tenang.
Take a quiet break. Take a quiet break. Take a quiet break.
Tetap rileks di dalam.
Stay relaxed inside. Stay relaxed inside. Stay relaxed inside.
Jaga langkahmu tetap ringan.
Keep your steps light. Keep your steps light. Keep your steps light.
Percayai kemajuan kecil.
Trust small progress. Trust small progress. Trust small progress.
Bawa ketenangan bersamamu.
Bring calm with you. Bring calm with you. Bring calm with you.
Tenangkan pikiranmu.
Let your mind settle. Let your mind settle. Let your mind settle.